Hello, my friends. How are you this evening? I chose to just hang out on the beach a little bit. The weather is getting cooler, and truly, when in our months of the cooler weather, it seems like the sun just projects itself so much more brilliance, and I love seeing it. So, and look at this! Look at this! I found this coral right here. I came to sit down and there's this coral that I found. You don't hardly find that, so I'm gonna take that home and clean it up. But yes, so here we are. And I just wanna, share a little shine. I think that sometimes this world is being like crazy, and not good crazy. It's like a lot of darkness, and I don't want to believe in that. Well, I understand it, but I just don't want to believe that they're coming for us. And I totally believe that there's a beautiful world unfolding for us. I truly do. I truly believe that there's a mystic, and that people are embracing spirituality more than ever. I think in the ancient times they did. However, it was denied. We can see how, Jesus was put on a cross, right, to be persecuted. But I believe that there truly is a new wisdom coming. And teach your children this wisdom, because they are our future leaders, all right? And that's what we need. We truly do. Okay, we truly need relevance. We truly need a good karma. We truly need a new presence coming. And I want to start going live on my Facebook and YouTube. I just gotta understand how it works a little bit. Look at that big wave right there. We don't usually get big waves like that out here. This is a very calm beach. This isn't like California. We hardly get waves, and when they do come, we appreciate them. Okay? Yes. All right, so I'm gonna walk forward towards the sun, and let's see what happens. Okay? And let's see what wisdom we gain, because it's beautiful to be by the sun and the ocean. I love it. I truly do. I love it all. And where I live, it's very, very private community, in the respect that it's not very touristy. It's, yeah, we, have people walking the beach, but it's not like hundreds of people walking the beach. It's very beautiful where I live. So I usually always stick my toes in the sand and the water. Look at that. Yay, sway, wee. Okay. That's how we do it. But look at these little waves. It's so cute. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, I'm going to walk this way because I see a big sponge. Now, organically, we don't see these things. Look at this thing. Oh, yay, I'm swaying that one. Oh, look at this thing. Wow. Oh my God, it's a monster. Hold on. Oh, I don't want to get my keys wet. Oh God. Look at this thing. We never find stuff like this out here. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that. Okay, hold on. Hold on, let me bring it back. Look at this. I'm holding my keys because, hold on, let me put this down for a moment. I don't want my keys to get wet. Look at that sponge. That is organic, natural. Look at that thing. how in the heck did I find this one? This is natural beauty. See, they told me go outside and film. And I was like, oh, look at that. Look at that. And then I just found this other one. Oh, look at this thing. This is a monster. I mean, I've lived out here since the 70s. And I have picked up probably thousands of shells. And I have always picked up the natural things. But look at that. And then I was just showing you this coral. Hold on, let me back up here for the moment. Okay. Look at this. I pick up this huge shell right with you guys. And this coral where I put my little blanket down, okay, my little blanket. Look at that. So I have a coral and a sponge. Ay, 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 how fantastic. How beautiful. How beautiful. Ah. You know, that's why you have to listen to your inner voice when they say do things. They wanted me to go out to the beach. Go to the beach, go to the beach. And look what I find. I find a piece of coral and a huge sponge. Now I have found sponges out here. I can't deny that. But not that monster. So I'll have to do a video of how, or put it on my Facebook, what sponges come from. But that's all organic right there. Organic wisdom. This is why we come to the beach, for organic wisdom, okay? It's fabulous. Just fabulous. And I really truly want to start doing these live videos, but I don't know. I just don't gather that I don't know. Sometimes I shut myself down because I really don't, you know, I'm really not one to talk too much to people, but I don't want to be a live personality, you know. I like my secret wisdom. I like it that way. I like secret wisdom. Let's see if we can advance a little bit more. But look at that. My friends, how about that? Who's got this in their house, huh? I really don't understand how this huge sponge came into my view and nobody picked it up but me. Okay, I just arrived here. If the video is what, 7 minutes long, I just got here 8 minutes ago. But see, I listen to God. When they say come, go to the beach. And I plan to go to the beach more often now that it's cooler. The weather is beautiful. It's in the 70s. It's magnificent. And, you know, I did not recognize I'd find these pieces here, but, you know, that's why you got to listen to your inner word, your inner soul. Get that vibe, get it going on. And, you know, life is beautiful. Especially when you embrace your own life, you know, when you relate it with the God Force Source. It's truly beautiful. Okay? It truly is. And here I am on the Gulf of Mexico that I've lived on since the 1970s. I have taken probably 1,000 plus sunset video moments or photo moments, let's say it that way, photo moments. And I walk, and usually why I don't film too much on the Gulf is because you know, it means so much to me. I'd rather just walk it and embrace it, you know. But they said, yeah, go out there and get the camera. So, okay. Okay. Mucho bacha. Now we're coming to the sunset now. And it's brilliant when it does it. Let's see what happens, okay? Now I can see kind of a green light coming through right now. And usually there's something that's called a green flash. And the sun just turns green, like it's a flash. Truly it is. So let's see what happens. There it is. It's going down. It's going down. How beautiful. Okay. No green flash. But it's still the most beautiful thing I've seen. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Maybe I'll focus now. Because I have people coming, walking. But I tried to come to a kind of a secluded beach that, you know, it's not like hundreds of people around. It's not touristy here, it's just private homes. Look how beautiful. I mean, look at these colors that nature gives us. It's just fantastic. Just fantastic. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look what I found. I'm gonna have to put this on my table. Get down on it. Right? Look at that big wave we just had. You didn't see it. I just... Really, we never have waves out here. It's hardly ever. But look at... I find this coral and I put it down. Okay. Because I'm like, wait a minute. I've never seen one of those. Looks like Jesus saying, F off. Right? But now look at this thing. It's still leaking water. Where in the hell did this come from? Look at this. I have sponges. I've never found one like that. And the thing is, once they start drying, they stink like, because I've had sponges before that I've saved, but they stink. They'll stink. So I got to put it outside. But look at that monster. Fabulous. This is organic nature right here. Right here. Ah, how beautiful. Just beautiful. Sunset magic. And you can literally send like prayers out, and I do. I send prayers out right there. I truly do. I truly live in a nice planet. Look at this monster. I could make it like a boot. I have no idea why that came to me today. But they told me, get outside. He said, get to the beach. I had no idea that I would receive this gift and this beautiful sunset. Prayers to all of you, my darlings. Believe in you, love you, and know that 2018 is coming for us in a fabulous way. You know, a fabulous sway that for those of you who are organic, we're gonna live large. Really, they have a plan for all of us, and we're all coded. And I must add that there's no denying, when you believe and you love nature, that's the first sign. You know, when you love nature and you tell them out loud, I love nature, they start coming to you. Okay? They believe that you love what they designed. Okay, whatever you want to call it, and it's fabulous. And I really want to start doing videos out here live. I just got to get a little more techno to understand what I have to do, but I'm more I'm organic like that, like I don't even know what techno means in my mind, but it's fabulousness. Nobody can tell me that nature and the sky and the water and the earth, air, fire, spirit are the most magnificent signals and elements of all. I love you all. Ciao.